Hello friends, welcome back to Commerce Byte YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to explain ledgers and groups, how to create a ledgers and how to create a groups in Tally. So I am going to explain from the starting once again. So how to open, so now, so double click on Tally ERP9. Select work in education mode. So this is accounting masters. This is accounting masters in that accounts info ledger. So if you want to see, just observe here. Yeah. So what is the path? Gateway of Tally, accounts info, ledgers. In that single ledger, choose create. So now, so the same path I'm going. So accounting masters, in that accounts info, ledgers. So for creation of ledgers, two options are there. Either you can create single ledger or you can create multiple ledger. Single ledger means one ledger one time. Multiple ledger means I can create any number of ledgers in single time. So first I'll explain how to create single ledger, then I will explain how to create multiple ledger. In single ledger, see here, create enter. So so already by default also there are two ledgers available in Tally. So if you want, you can see display. So cash and profit and loss account. These are the two ledgers by default available in Tally. If you are creating these two again, it will give an error message, that is duplicate entry. Once you check, so single ledger, create presenter, example cash. So it is telling that name already exists. Enter a different name. Yes. So it is already existed. So there is no need of creating these things. So once again I'm creating. So if I want to go back, escape, I can use escape. So if I press escape, it will go automatically back. Escape, escape, escape. If I use escape, it will go back automatically. Press enter. Ledgers, in that create. Example I'm creating capital. So capital comes under which group? Already capital, there are total 28 by default groups are there. So first I'll do one thing, I'll explain about the groups, then we will create ledgers. So first same path, even for group also same path, accounts info, groups. Here also we can create a group. So first we will see how many groups are available in Tally. So see here, total 28 groups: bank account, bank OCC account, bank overdraft account, branch divisions, capital. So if I want to create a capital ledger, it comes under capital account. We have to identify the ledger, which ledger comes under which group. Cash in hand, cash comes under cash in hand group. Current assets, debtors, creditors, all those comes under, sorry, debtors, stock, this comes under current assets, current liability group. These are different groups. Total 28 groups are available in Tally. So if you want to create any additional group, we can create. But if you want to create additional group, we have to create under any of these 28. Example, see here. Example, I'm creating one group. Example. So I'm creating some assets. Assets means example, some quality one asset, quality one asset, quality one asset. So I'm having two types of assets, quality one and quality two. So for quality one assets, see, it is showing again we have to create a group under any of these 28 groups. That group we have to link to any of these 28 groups. So so by almost 28 groups are enough. If you want to create any other groups, we can create under, we have to give that name, and we have to create under any of this 28 only. So escape, escape, escape. So so we can group create, all we can group, we can create a group single or multiple. So single means one by one. So example, I'm creating the same thing what I have explained, the same thing I'm creating. Quality one asset, quality one asset. Example, it is under, assume it is under fixed asset. So fixed assets group is there, fixed asset. So group behaves as subledger So these things are not required for us. Just say Control A. Control A means save. So if you want to see a display, so what I have created, quality 1 QU. So how to select means here. So display. If I press quality asset and QU, automatically it will come. QU automatically it came. Quality assets. Automatically quality asset under group fixed asset. So this is single group. If I want to create multiple groups, so create direct. Under which group you want to create? Under which group you want to create? So example, you know which under which group you are creating. So you can use that specific group. Example, all items. I don't know which under which group I am going to give. So all item. It is better to select all item. All item. Example, I am giving quality to asset. Quality to asset. That is also comes under fixed asset only. Fixed asset group, right? For example, if I have given a specific group, so if you see here, if I give specific group bank code group, automatically it will, we cannot change. See here, change option, we cannot change. So that automatically here I have given bank OD, so automatically it will take under bank OD only. Whatever example I have given, one of the example I have given salary group, it will take bank overdraft only automatically. Why? Because here I have given a group, so automatically it will take that group only. So it is better to give all items here. All items means it will accept all the groups. So here we can change here now fixed asset. Yeah, here salary means indirect expenses group. In this way we can group. In this way we can create groups. So I'm not saving this. Why? Because already the groups which they have given, it is more than enough. So no need of creating additional groups. So now next, ledgers. How to create a ledgers? So ledgers, same process. Ledgers, single ledger. So example, I'm creating capital under capital group. So there is no need of typing full capital CAPI, not required. If I press CA, automatically here two things highlighted. I want in that what I want. First one I want. So arrow, by arrow I can select capital account. So inventory values, because of capital, the stock values will not affect. So that's why I'm giving no. So if you want to give details, you can give details, pin code, this if you want to give, you can give. So if there is any opening balance of capital, we can give here opening. For example, if I give 5 lakh opening balance, see here, it is showing 5 lakh credit balance. The difference was there. Why? Because credit balance was there. There is no debit balance. So automatically it will show a difference. So as of now, I am not giving any opening balances. I am not giving. So control is save. So next, control or enter also we can see. I'm giving one more expense, salary. Salary comes under which group? There are various groups. So you decide. Salary is an actually indirect expense, so it comes under indirect expense group. So if I press, see here, indirect, sorry, salary comes under indirect expenses group. So inventory values, because of these also inventory values will not affect. Now if you want to give details, you can give. Otherwise, control is save. In this way we can create ledgers. If I want to see, if I want to display, if I want to see the ledgers which I have created, so we can say display. So see here, already cash and profit and loss by default there, capital and salary now I have created. This is about single ledger. So how to create multiple ledgers? Under multiple ledgers, create. So here also select all items. Why? Because if I given a specific group, so it will take only that group only. So ledger, example, if I want to give bank, comes under bank account. So bank comes under bank account group. If there is any opening balance, we can give. Next, commission. Example, commission paid comes under indirect expenses. You can take. Next, commission received. So it comes under commission received, comes under indirect income. Next, discount. Discount allowed. Discount allowed, it comes under indirect expenses. discount, so discount received, it comes under indirect income. So in this way we can create multiple, in a single time we can create multiple ledger. This is multiple ledger creation. So control A, save, it got saved. So if you want to see display, so we can see here. So once again I'm showing how to display. So display, so I have created under all items, I have created under all items. So all items, so bank account, capital account. So this, yes. So if I want to do any changes, we can do in alter, we can do in alter all items. So if we want to do any changes, we can do. So here also we can do alter, here also it will appear. So example, if I want to do changes in commission received, here if you want you can do changes. Or if I want to delete also, I can go to alter only. If I want to delete that also, I have to go to alter only. So alter, if I want to delete commission paid, I want to delete this, press enter. So option is alt D. If you observe here, D below that underline, that means alt D, alt D. It is asking whether you want to delete. Yes. Why? Yes, it got deleted. If you see here, commission paid was not there. So in this way we can create single ledger, multiple ledger, single group and multiple group. So thank you friends, thank you for watching the video. I hope you like the video.